As family and friends from both sides of this murder trial exit the courtroom, a jury of 6 men and 6 women now deliberating the fate of Neil Snelson, the 44-year-old Kelowna man charged with the 1993 murder of Jennifer Cusworth. The defense opened closing arguments by reminding the jury that experts couldn't pinpoint a time of death, suggesting that Cusworth's killer may have put her body in a Swamp Road ditch up to 16 hours after the murder. Snelson testified he was with his wife during that window. The defense admits one thing, and that is that Neil Snelson did have sex with Jennifer Cusworth in 1993. However, it says the rest of the evidence is all circumstantial. The defense also pointed out that according to expert testimony, there was no evidence of sexual assault, and that if Snelson was guilty, why would he stay in Kelowna? The Crown, on the other hand, tried to paint Snelson as a liar, including his testimony about having sex with Cusworth, but not recognize her in police photos, and how no one saw him with Cusworth at the Richter Street party where they met, even though there were hundreds of people there. The Crown says the evidence against Snelson is overwhelming, pointing out in their argument about a particular interview he did with police where the police officer says, "Is it your intention to plead guilty?" Snelson replies, "I haven't made up my mind yet." The Crown told the jury that an innocent man would have said no. The Crown went on to say that if Snelson had consensual sex with Cusworth, he would remember all the details to support his story. Defense attorney Grant Gray says the jury can come back with 4 possible verdicts.
Possible verdicts that are being left with the jury in this case are guilty as charged of first-degree murder, not guilty of first-degree murder, but guilty of second-degree murder, guilty of manslaughter, or not guilty outright.
The jury will remain sequestered until it reaches a verdict. Kelly Hayes, Castanet Media.